Welcome beautiful people, I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this goddess style passion twist and also how to properly tuck your natural hair in your passion twist so that it lasts longer. And I'm going to show you guys this technique especially for my natural hair girlies with the 4B 4C type hair. Today's video is sponsored by MAYDE Beauty, and the hair that we'll be using is two different types of hair. We'll be using the fluffy Afro kinky hair in 20 inches and also the water curl in 20 inches. So I'm going to go into detail with these hair that we'll be using, and also we'll be having a giveaway at the end of the video. Jumping into the video, first things first, if you haven't done it already, make sure you are subscribed down below. And to begin this style, I'm starting with freshly washed hair, and I prefer my hair to be stretched before I do my protective styles. Now, you don't have to do it with heat. You can do like a heatless type of thing. Like if you washed your hair the day before, you can do some big braids in your hair to just let it dry and then it will be stretched. I prefer to use a blow dryer. Just use, you know, a little bit of heat protectant and you're all good. So first, I always section my hair in two so that the job is super easy, especially when it comes to parting. So I'll be using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. Now, I live by the Shine and Jam. I know a lot of people don't be liking the Shine and Jam, but girl, it works for me, okay? It gets the job done and it doesn't leave any residue in my hair, which I absolutely love, especially since I have low porosity hair. Products tend to just sit on top. So I'm just going to show you guys my technique of how I do my partings. Like, this is the most challenging part of the style, honestly, especially if you're doing the partings yourself. Like, you're gonna need a mirror in front, a mirror beside, a mirror in the back. Like, I have about 3 mirrors that I'm looking at to make sure that I get a somewhat neat parting. Like, it's not gonna be perfect because I can't really see back there, but I'm gonna try my darnest to make sure that it looks as neat as possible. So I always create that parting first, then I go in with the Shine and Jam on the parting space, then I repart the hair. Now, right now we're going to be putting some oil on our elastic band. I will be doing the crochet method for this style, and that is because I have long nails and my grip isn't that great, and this is a personal preference. Like, you honestly don't have to do this if you know how to feed in or if you know how to grip well. And another technique that you can do is you can actually part your hair and braid it, then crochet the hair into the braid if you want to substitute that instead of an elastic band. But again, since your girl got long nails on and I'm not about to remove my nails to do this style, like, I can function with the nails, so I'm gonna do what I gotta do. So we will be doing the elastic band method. So my parting space are pretty simple. I did about 35 parting space for this style. So typically I don't like to do a lot of parting. Like, I don't want it to be too big, especially with passion twists. You can underestimate the sizing and then it gets too bulky, so you want to be mindful of that. Like, my hair is full and it's only 35 spaces, so just keep that in mind. So for the top section, I'm just going to show you guys again how I do the parting. Like, I just saw a post on Instagram where a girl, like a stylist, was charging people extra to do parting. Like, girl, how you gonna braid somebody's hair and charge them extra for the parting? Like, y'all better watch this tutorial and learn how to do some hair, okay? And save those coins because they're getting ridiculous out here. So I'm gonna leave y'all to just see my technique, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Now that my parting is completed, as I said, I did 35 parting spaces. Now, the hair that I'll be using is the 4x fluffy Afro kinky here in 20 inches, and I'm using the 1B color. Now this hair is pre-divided, pre-prepped, and ready to be used. It's soft and easy to separate. Now that is the main purpose of this hair. Like, we want it to blend with our textured hair so that it can stay tucked in, and also to prevent our hair from unraveling from the passion twist so that it lasts as long as possible. So this is the key to keeping your passion twist as long as possible, because a lot of time people use silky textured hair for passion twist, and girl, if you have textured hair and you got silky hair, it's gonna confuse the whole process. Okay, then we're going to be using the 3-time water curl in 20 inches, and this is full. It's perfect for passion twist and a whole lot of different styles. So it has 36 strands in this pack, and again, I'm using 1B to do this. And also, even though this is a water curl hair, I'm gonna show you guys like a close-up of the hair that it's also has a textured feel to it, so it's not super silky, which is great. Like, we need something non-silky for this style because we don't have silky hair, okay, unless you do, and then whatever works for you. But we're dealing with textured hair over here. So I'm just showing you guys my parting spaces. Again, 35 parting space. So we'll be using 2 pieces of the water curl, and then I'm gonna just twist that together so that it can fit in my crochet hook properly. So we're gonna push our crochet hook through our base of our hair and then pull one side through. So you guys see how I hold on to one side and then pull the other through. I'm gonna repeat this step about 4 more times to show you guys, and then we're gonna be using a piece of the fluffy afro kinky hair, and I'm just showing you the base of the hair so that you know that it's not separated, it's not tangled, it's easy to separate from the rest of the pack. I didn't have any trouble with tangles. Like, the thing with passion twist as well is that you want hair that doesn't tangle. You need that. So I just tightened the elastic band some more, and then the key, another key, there's a lot of keys to this style. The other key to tucking your hair in is putting that shine and jam onto the ends of your natural hair. And this is one of the reasons why I stretch my hair. Now, you don't have to be doing no extra stretch like flat ironing or none of that. Like, you just want a little bit of stretch. As long as it's stretching, put that jam on there, it's gonna stay tucked in, especially if you use the afro curly hair. Like, that will help your hair to blend and also to stay in. So as you guys see, I'm plaiting the base, like I'm gonna braid the base, and then we're gonna go in with the twist. So braid your Lord, I got tongue tied. Braid your oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? Braid your base and then twist down. So I'm just doing a regular twist going down, because with passion twist, it's going to give that fluffy look later on. So I'm doing somewhat of a rope twist to it. If you don't know how to rope twist, that's fine, just do a regular twist. But again, you don't have to worry too much because of the kinky hair in. It will help to disguise your hair. Now, once I get to the base and I have my little curly hair at the end, I'm just going to take one piece and create a knot. Now, a lot of people have issue with their passion twist not staying. With this technique, it's going to help it to stay. It's going to keep it knotted and prevent it from unraveling. Like, that's an issue, and we're solving that issue right now by creating that goddess look at the end, by creating that knot. Now, if you didn't catch that, we're going to do it again and again, so don't worry. You can slow down this video if you wish to. I'm going to do it a couple more times until you get it. Like, I want y'all to really get it and get into the style, because I'm absolutely in love with it. So I'm trying to solve y'all a problem right now. We're trying to tuck in, we're trying to keep it longer, and we're trying to keep it from unraveling. So I'm going to be quiet right now, and then I'm going to show you guys the technique again and again. Okay, also we're almost finished, and I just want to address one more thing. So if you're a little bit anal about elastic band showing, you might want to do the braid method and then crochet into the braid so that you don't have elastic bands visible. I don't mind it. A lot of people don't mind it. I think it gives the look a little bit of character, you feel me? So that's just an alternative, just in case you're not feeling the elastic band type method, and you do what you got to do, and we're going to do what we got to do. So I'm just showing you guys how versatile the hair is. A lot of times we do our hair and it's not movable when it's just done, but I'm just showing you guys how easy it is to move the hair around to do different styles if you wish to. And that is basically it. Now look how fluffy and beautiful this hair is. And usually with passion twist we just twist all the way down. I'm loving that I knotted the ends and just give it like a goddess feel at the bottom. And also I'm just showing you guys the braid to see how our hair is tucked in. And again, you can use as much of the fluffy textured hair if you wish to. If you have thicker hair and you just need that more fullness, or you need more hair to disguise your hair, you can do that. I'm just going to go in with some scalp oil and then some oil sheen. Also a preference, I know a lot of people don't be using oil on their scalp anymore, but girl, I need that. Okay, like my scalp be itchy as hell and I don't be producing as much oil on my scalp as I should, so I'm gonna need the extra boost, you feel me? Okay, y'all, now it is time for the giveaway. So I have partnered with MAYDE Beauty to do a giveaway for Juneteenth. I will be selecting 3 winners for the fluffy afro kinky hair and the water curl hair, and you will be able to select the color of your choice. However, this giveaway will only be open to US followers and subscribers. Unless you have a US address, you cannot enter the giveaway. So you have to have a US address. Now for the details, you must be following my Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure that you are following MAYDE Beauty on Instagram and TikTok. Now once you have done all of that, you will be clicking the link in the description box to enter your email. Once that's done, just comment done under this video and I will know that you have completed all requirements. Now that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this style. I hope this tutorial was very helpful. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok at Chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.